Hi, Mike Hendrickson again from the show floor at Velocity 2011. I'm here with Max Newell. Max, is this your first Velocity? And if it is, what are you thinking?
Yes, it is. And let's see, it's started off with a really extremely interesting talk from Adrian Cockcroft, the lead architect at Netflix. Wrong? Yeah, defunct company. Who's running almost all of their infrastructure in the Amazon cloud, and we actually also are running almost all of our infrastructure in the Amazon cloud. So there's a lot of interesting stuff to be learned there.
Okay, so are you more of a WebOps or a DevOps type guy?
I guess I would be, I guess I would say WebOps, but DevOps is it seems to be becoming an increasingly charged term around these days. So
can we have hybrids instead of having to classify one or the other?
Right.
I think that's where we kind of go. So what are you finding interesting today in the sessions today?
Let's see. I've talked to, I've talked to the ops code people. So actually, this is more the conference, the floor than the sessions. Talked to the ops code people because I'm using the opportunity of talking to them as a kicking myself in the pants to start using Chef, and talk to the New Relic people. We're actually already New Relic customers, but it's great to talk to them and sort of, see the aspects of their product that we haven't been getting the most out of. So those were really valuable conversations, and I'm hoping to talk to some more vendors around the floor too.
So are you building large cloud-based apps, or you mentioned Amazon Web Services?
Yeah.
Are you here for performance as much as ops, or?
I think ops more than performance. They're both important to us, but my focus is more on ops. But yeah, we run a Rails MySQL stack, all in EC2, and we're starting to use some enterprise service bus stuff that uses Java and ActiveMQ. But most of our applications are Rails based.
So in addition to your stack, are you at all throwing in any sort of Agile methods or Agile techniques for managing and developing your software?
So yes, we do use we use Scrum. We use Agile methods for development. We don't. Operations is not really operating in an Agile fashion right now. Although there are a number of things that we'd like to start implementing there.
Do you think we can get to, as a community, Agile Operations, or?
Yes, I think it is achievable. Yes.
Okay, and still have performance and still have resilience and everything we also want from.
There's a trade-off. Yes. Yeah.
So
right.
Part of this conference is finding the trade-offs and
Right.
figuring out what it is.
Right. Yes. Yeah.
Have you been walking around to the booths, or are you about to do that?
I've spoken to probably 5 vendors or so at some length, and I'll use the rest of today and tomorrow to speak to some more of them.
And what sort of sessions are you going to go to this afternoon? Anything interesting, or?
The next session is, there's one about data caching, and then that's the next one that I'm going to.
Data caching.
Consult my schedule to see what's coming on for.
Excellent. So are you all overall finding the conference useful and valuable?
On the whole, yes. Yeah. I think my biggest complaint so far, and I know this is often the problem with the network connectivity, leaves something to be desired. But
at an operations and performance conference too.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but I think that's partially, and not to lay blame on anywhere. It's who knows where.
Right. Yeah. The Faraday cages of the convention halls or whatever. Yeah.
Max, it was great talking with you, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
All right. Thanks very much.
Take care.